The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting colder, and you may have noticed Christmas lights going up in your neighborhood. It can only mean one thing: the festive season is upon us. And what if you're planning to host a festive soiree on your own? Where can you turn for guidance on how to lay a table with creative flair? Fear not, I've got you covered, with everything to choosing a theme to parting gifts, with a step-by-step guide to help you reflect your holiday style and spirit. First, start with your personal style. Think about your overall home decor style. Do you lean toward traditional, modern, rustic, or eclectic looks? And choose a theme that complements your style. For example, classic red and green with holly and plaid for traditional, or minimalist whites, silvers, and blues for a modern look. And natural elements like burlap, pine cones, and wood for a more rustic theme. Whether you want to reflect seasonal colors like greens, reds, and whites, or use jewel tones for a luxurious look, add metallics for a touch of sparkle, or opt for monochromatic palettes for a modern and sophisticated effect. Second, set the holiday mood. Decide what kind of feeling you want to evoke. Do you want an elegant feel? Use metallics like gold or silver with crystal accents. Warm tones with candles, soft textures, and twinkle lights for a cozy mood. Playful elements like candy canes, miniature figurines, or a nutcracker theme for a whimsical table. Of course, mixing patterns, colors, and unique elements for a playful, dynamic, eclectic feeling. Unique table linens set the tone, like vintage scarves or embroidered runners. Third, drawing inspiration from nature. Natural elements are both timeless and versatile for your holiday table. Think about incorporating pine branches, cedar, and eucalyptus to bring greenery and texture. Seasonal fruits like pomegranates or oranges to add color and freshness. Snowy whites and icy blues create a winter wonderland effect. Next, pull inspiration from specific traditions. For example, use soft creams, gilded accents, and vintage decor for a French Noel. or use layered fabrics, floral china, and warm greens for an English cottage style. And simple, clean designs with natural woods and neutral tones for a Scandinavian Christmas. Fifth, focus on a key element. Choose one striking feature to anchor your design. It can be a breathtaking centerpiece such as a floral arrangement, candles, or even a Christmas village. Or add simple craft paper as a runner. And in your beautiful handwriting, write out the words to your favorite Christmas song. Or ask the person providing the blessing for a small sample of their Christmas prayer and add those words to the runner. Or create your tablescape using a beloved nativity scene and adding fresh greens and candles. Maybe you want to highlight your everyday decor pieces like ginger jars or a few pieces from your favorite collection. Simply adding greenery, ribbons, and candles can make any item into a holiday table key element. You need to think practicality and guest. Will there be children? If so, consider fun, interactive elements to add to their table. Use plates and cups featuring holiday characters like Santa, reindeer, snowman, or elves. Kids will love eating off plates with their favorite holiday figures. Include supplies for kids to write a letter to Santa. Finally, for the kiddos, consider take-home favors. A little holiday memento like a mini stocking filled with treats or a small holiday-themed toy can make each child feel special. On to the seventh step. Layer your tablescape. A well-layered table creates interest and depth. Start with your base layer. Choose a tablecloth, runner, or go with a bare cloth for a modern look. Move on to your place settings. Coordinate plates, flatware, napkins, placemats, and chargers. Next, add your decorative layer, centerpieces, ornaments, or garlands for finishing touches. Finally, create a warm ambiance with candles. Add sentimental touches or personal items that carry meaning, like handmade ornaments or decorations. Include traditions, like a special recipe or a favorite holiday symbol. Use a few family heirlooms, such as vintage china, crystal glasses, silverware, or a favorite cake plate. These pieces bring a touch of nostalgia that sparks stories and memories that make the gathering even more meaningful. Number 9, plan around your space. A grand dining room might call for a more formal, elaborate theme. While a cozy kitchen nook leans more toward a relaxed, intimate feel. And depending on the climate you live in, setting up a beautiful holiday table outdoors is just the right thing to do. Finally, number 10, offering a takeaway gift. Make guests feel extra special with a small favorite at each place setting. These can be personalized ornaments or mini stockings filled with candy or a handwritten note. A small jar of jam or a holiday cookie wrapped with a festive ribbon. These thoughtful touches give guests a memento to remember the gathering by and are very budget-friendly. There are so many holiday ideas and styles that I've created videos for each one. So if you're feeling stuck or want to try something new with your holiday decor, you will have plenty of inspiration. Simply click on the video right here.